going on, man? Luke here at Zippy Gypsy. I'm the owner. Thank you for checking the video out, and what I want to talk about is the contents of the kit and what you'll need at home. Each kit currently is going to come with 2 bags of gummy dust, 2 little bags of gelatin, 2 essential oil bottles, 1 lavender lemonade, and 2 I Dream of Tangerine. It'll have 1 plastic syringe for measuring water. It'll have 1 gummy mold. It'll have 2 2-ounce plastic containers for mixing the gelatin. It'll come with 2 ID stickers for the name of the gummies, the date, any notes you may have, and it's got a handy dandy to and from. So if you want to gift some gummies, this is right up your alley. It's got a recipe card plus the contents of the kit, any tips, and the extreme heat warning. It does get very hot. It's going to come with a disclaimer. After the 2 gummies are gone, you can keep this awesome box to put things in. Make sure you keep your gummy dust bag, because once your gummies are finished, you'll fill out the sticker, apply it here, and put your gummies back in the box. Now let's talk about some things you'll need. You want a microwave-safe coffee cup with a handle. You want some cold tap water, and then a couple spoons to stir. Lastly, you'll want a microwave. Preferred microwave wattage is between 950 and 1200 watts. Pretty simple, right? Start making those gummies. See ya.